Hey guys, today I will be doing some review on Angela's Lip Factory. I have these beautiful colors and I will be doing a review on these 4 colors today. All right, so this color is called the A-List. It's beautiful fuchsia pink, one of my favorite. All right, this one is the Award Show, that nice hot red. Okay, and this one is the Very Berry, beautiful berry color. And last but not least, this one is the Sugar Beet. Yes. The Sugar Beet and the Very Berry is a pretty close color, but the undertone is a bit different. One have a more red undertone. All right, so let's get started with the colors and hope you enjoy. And please remember to check out her page.
B music on the track.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoy the videos. Here are the beautiful colors. She have lots of colors available. Here's her card, this beautiful card she sent when she shipped you the products. All right, you can check her out on Instagram at angelaslipfactory.com and Facebook. All right, beautiful product. I hope you like. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.